Futurecast.
Well, good morning, everybody. Today will be a nice day to be outside. In fact, many people may be heading down to Narragansett Town Beach. They're along the seawall, perhaps near the Coast Guard House, to take a look at some of the waves. And we have some decent waves and swell building from distant Hurricane Gonzalo. You can see people gathering, and it appears that maybe a few people have fishing poles. Can't quite tell what's going on, but a nice morning to be outside. Obviously, surfers love this stuff. Just use caution. You can always get rip currents in these situations, and you want to make sure that you're safe. We look right now at a Category 2 Gonzalo. Unfortunately, this weakened a decent amount before it made landfall in Bermuda yesterday evening. Right now, it is pushing up to the north. In terms of damage from the storm, we're still waiting to see exactly what happened. Obviously, a lot of communication is out across Bermuda as a lot of power outages, as expected, occurred. So we'll continue to update you on that. But we do get the swells because even though the storm is far away, there's not a lot of friction on the ocean, so the energy can easily transfer through the water and affect our coast. Even tomorrow, the water does remain stirred up, not only because of Gonzalo, but also some pretty gusty winds, which will be around for Sunday afternoon. Here is Gonzalo tomorrow morning early, and you can see it's a Category 1, so it does start to weaken as it heads over the cooler ocean waters. We're looking at partly sunny skies from the capital city right now. Providence at 57, Gloucester 59, Westerly 64, New Bedford at 58 westerly. Winds right now of around 9 miles an hour out of the southwest. We'll continue to see these winds increase into the afternoon between about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Could see some gusts around 25. It gets even windier for tomorrow. That's because a front is on the way. You can see some showers actually ahead of this front. We could get clipped by a few of these sprinkles as we head into the middle part of the afternoon and the evening. But the bigger story will be the cold temperatures behind those showers. But most of the day is rain-free. Temperatures in the low 70s inland. At the coast will be a little cooler because of those winds coming in out of the southwest. Upper 60s should be the rule for places like Westerly, Charlestown, where you can see inland here from Smithfield down to Providence, we're into the low 70s. Here's what happens tonight. Now, the core of the cool air is still not here yet, so by 8 p.m. if you have dinner plans, upper 50s to low 60s. Pleasant out there. And then after midnight through tomorrow morning, that's where the cooler air starts to plunge into southern New England. So 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, maybe you're out and about doing some errands. You will notice some cooler breezes starting to spill in from the north. So these temperatures, although they don't look really that crazy on the screen, the wind will make these numbers feel cooler than they look. So maybe feeling like the upper 30s tomorrow morning. So definitely want to bundle up the entire day. And then low 50s, that is pretty much it for tomorrow afternoon with a mix of sun and clouds. And the wind will make it feel more like in the upper 40s throughout Sunday afternoon. Speaking of Sunday afternoon, we start it here and then go into Monday morning. You can see the 30s plunging into Providence. Would not be surprised to see a few upper 20s outside of the capital city. In our 7-day Futurecast, just to review things today, we have that 70, partly cloudy. I'm thinking more clouds and sun tomorrow. Temperature of 53. Could pick up a quick shower in the morning, but again, most of the weekend is rain-free. It is tomorrow night, likely the coolest night of the season, and that'll bring in a chilly morning. So Monday morning is not as breezy, but because of the lack of wind, it allows those temperatures to drop a little bit more. So Providence mid-30s, outside of Providence upper 20s to low 30s, especially in some of the interior of Bristol County, Massachusetts, places like Taunton. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, showers, wind, rain with a coastal storm developing. WPRI.com is your place to go for the latest weather updates.
Now,